making brownies with Kendra. With Nana, I always get to wear my favorite apron. We have a beautiful colored house. My favorite part of the book was when they ate the brownies, and I'm sure it tastes pretty good when we make the whole recipe for real. My favorite part of the book was my recipe spoon and my bookmark. And I like the little star on it. It's very beautiful. And here it is. So first things first, before we even cook food, we need to wash our hands. So these are all the recipes we'll need for our brownies. First things first, we'll microwave the butter until melted. My mommy already preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So first I'm gonna put the Brownie sweet chocolate chips in a bowl. Okay, I think that's now I'm gonna put the milk chocolate chips in now in a bowl too. So my mommy's gonna add the hot butter to the chocolate chips. Oh, it's soaking. So this is how it will look after you add the butter in. After this, your spoon will... If your spoon gets dirty, don't worry. You can just wash it off in the sink with soap and water. Like mine is getting dirty right now, but I'll wash it. We are purposely done with the video. So guys, now we're mixing the melted chocolate chips that were very yummy. So this is what it looks like now. We add a cup of sugar to the chocolate. Next, my mom is gonna add 2 eggs. Next, we're gonna add vanilla flavor to the mixture. Ooh, it smells pretty good. Next, we're gonna add a cup of flour to our mixture. This is how we're gonna do it. Next, we're gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder. Last, we'll add a pinch of salt. Next, we're gonna add in our buttered covered dish is our mixture. So next, after we put our food in the dish, we're gonna now put it in the oven, but my mommy's gonna do it because it's really hot. And so our brownies are gonna be in the oven for 45 minutes, and we'll let you know how they turn out.